Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and fill the coolant on this 2008 Chevy Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6 engine. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With the hood popped, you want to make sure the engine is cold. Over here on the passenger side in front of the battery is the coolant reservoir. You can see the coolant level. Sometimes the bottle's a little bit transparent, but sometimes it's hard to see. You can take a light, you can see that it's, if you shake it a little bit, it's a little bit below the line that it's supposed to be at. So the full cold line is right here. So we want to top that off. Again, I said this engine has to be cold when you check this. I'm going to unscrew this cap, take that off, set it aside. You're going to want to add the appropriate coolant. Number one, the coolant mixture, but number two, the appropriate coolant. You don't want to mix orange and green coolant. It could be bad. So we just top this off. This is a 50-50 mix between coolant and water. Generally, it'll stay on the bottle whether it's already pre-diluted. And that's in the proper level. So we can put our cap back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.